Welcome back, everybody. It's time to check on the Super Dart project over at Jeff's garage. Jeff has been working hard on this vehicle. Let's see how it's coming along.
All right, we're getting the inside of the car cleaned out. Just pulled the bench seat out, picking up some of the trash. And you know what's really funny? As I'm cleaning this out. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday. And this is not staged. This is real. But under the back seat, the Easter Bunny left us a present. What are the chances? At first I saw the egg. But after I looked closer when I picked up the back seat, we have the original broadcast sheet for the car. Always neat to find little hidden treasures from the factory back in the day. Okay, I know I keep saying this is a clean, dry California desert car. This is where you really find out, under the carpet. Original paint and some dirt. Unbelievable. You just never find cars like this. It doesn't even have blisters in the paint. Truly, California desert car. Okay, I was over here checking the passenger side. See how the boards look here? Beautiful in the back. And I found a little present for us in the front from the factory. Another broadcast sheet. This one looks like it is stuck to the floor, but it's still neat to find these hidden treasures. Now these broadcast sheets show every single option the car was equipped with from the factory. And there were several of them when the car was going down the assembly line. They were used to actually pull the parts off the shelf and build the car as it was going down the line. So we're gonna put in these subframe connectors that'll connect the rear frame rails up here to the front frame rails.
Okay.
Now these are bolt-in style. I prefer to fully weld them because the bolts can still allow some movement and slippage. So we'll clean it all up and weld them so that way it's rigid. And it'll really make the chassis of the car a lot stiffer. Got the subframe connectors going in today. This one's all fit and got it tack welded here. And this one for this side, I got the back tack welded. And the front pulled over into position and held up. We'll go ahead and get this welded up. And I got the bottom of the car almost all stripped out and ready to go for undercoating. Making progress. Okay, subframe connectors are all welded up and in. Fully welded, front and back. That way they won't be moving around on us. Make this chassis nice and stiff. Finish getting the bottom of this cleaned up and get the undercoating up going on. Just finished spraying the bottom of the Dart with undercoating. It's looking really good. All that prep work I did has really paid off here. We'll have to touch some of this up after the car's painted, do the fender wells, but at least this is a good start. Start putting the suspension back together now. Today on the Dart Project car, I'm measuring for rear wheels and tires. So I have the rear end and the rear suspension mocked up in here. I made some notes on the shop floor so I could get some measurements for wheel back spacing and tire fitment. So now that we have that, we'll get the wheels and tires for the Super Dart ordered up.
Jeff, I can't thank you enough for all your hard work and dedication to the Super Dart project. I'm really excited about it, and it's coming along nicely.